Alright guys, so today I want to compare the Ryobi 25-foot tape measure and the Dewalt 30-foot Atomic tape measure. I try to get everything Ryobi, everything that they make. I just like that brand. I'm a homeowner. I don't do this for business or anything like that. As you can see, let's take a trip to my shed. Excuse the molding, but I got mostly green in here. I use the Rubbermaid Fast Track. Got the small handhelds right there. Garden in this corner. A compact miter saw. Cordless. That's not the brushless model. And some other things here. But anyway, back to the tapes. Alright, here they are. What I like about both of them is that they have the fraction markings right there. I just like to see it. Just quicker for me because I don't do this all the time. I can't do it in my head, guys. Sorry. But what sets the Dewalt apart is how far you can extend this without it breaking. Let's give it a shot. We're gonna start with the Ryobi here. Start with the one that's gonna lose. I already know it's gonna lose, and I like it. I like this brand, but oh, where's my hand? Where it broke. 7 foot, right there. Ryobi. Dewalt, however you say it. Where did we break? 116 inches, closer to 10 foot. Yep. Those few inches, extra inches counts, guys. A little bit longer. So there you have it, both of them right there. I'm still going to use the Ryobi for like small jobs, but if I have to like measure, and I'm by myself, like measure, 3 window openings by myself, this one did it. This one could not. I needed someone to hold it in the other end. But yeah, apart from that, I still like Ryobi, but I like Dewalt better. Can't get everything Ryobi, especially their drill bits and impact bits. Alright guys, that's it.